again. It's a rich thing.
Hi guys, this is Miss Remy here and welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time here, welcome and thank you so much to my current subscribers. I appreciate every one of you, and thank you to my new subscribers. I see you, thank you. But guys, I have a DIY video for you. These are the things that you will need for this project. You will need some chalk paint and some brush. So I got this paint from Lowe's and I got the brushes from Amazon. At first I started painting the table with my regular brush, but it wasn't picking up the paint properly, so I had to stop and order the brushes from Amazon. So it did really well. And I also had some sponge brushes at the house, so when I tried them, it worked perfectly. So if you have those kind of sponge brushes, you may be able to use them. So right here I am trying to scrub to remove the black paint of the chairs, because those chairs, can you believe how much I paid for them? I paid $2 for both of them. Was it $2 or $5 or $2.50 for each? I got them from a thrift store. So when I got them, they were like creamy, and then they had a different type of color of cushion. So I painted in black because my table that you will see was black. So to match the table, I painted in black. So the paint that I used wasn't really a furniture paint, so it was peeling. So now I painted that table white because I had planned to put that table in the living room. So that table ended up being too small for that brown chair that you guys saw in the beginning of the video. So now I have to go back and put that table back in the kitchen and use the table that I ordered for the kitchen in the living room, because that table I ordered for the kitchen is also too big for the kitchen. And that brown chair, oh, it's another story, because I got two of them, and one of them I fixed it like under 10 minutes, put it together under 10 minutes, and the other one I had such a hard time to put it together because the screw was too big for the holes in the body of the chair. A hot mess, but another story. So I was removing the paint of the chair, some of it, because the chalk paint, you don't really have to do any primer, you don't really have to do any remove any type of prior paint, so you could just paint over it. So since some of them was peeling, so I decided to remove the parts where the paints were peeling. I give them two cush. Is that what you said? That's what you say? So I went back and paint, I think 3 times, because I did the second time and it dried. The next day I was like, I don't like how it looks like, so I went back and paint them a third time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and some of you say that let me know if you appreciate the DIYs, because I don't want to keep posting them and then you guys don't find them interesting. If you guys would like for just strictly hair, let me know, because I do love doing hair and I also love DIYs, and to me doing hair and DIYs are like the same thing. But let me know. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I would really appreciate that. And also click on the bell notification for whenever I post a video, you could be notified. All right, so my living room tour is coming soon, and the kitchen is coming soon too, because I have everything, so I'm just buying time to put them together. All right. Did not paint the table on camera because I thought it would be too long for you guys. You guys maybe get bored, so I just went ahead and painted the table, because actually I painted the table before the chairs. So that table, it's small, but it could open on both sides. I got it from IKEA maybe about 4 years ago. this was easy and fun, so I really enjoyed it. You will not see me putting together the brown chair because, like I said, it took me under 10 minutes to put the first one together. So I was like, oh, I could add the clip in that video too, but then the second one was giving problems, so I just got frustrated and then didn't put it in it. But don't mind the background because I am in the process of fixing. As you see, everything is all over the place right now. It's looking way better. So I called IKEA about the chair, so they told me to do whatever I wanted to do with that chair, and they're going to replace this chair for me. Yeah, like I said, guys, let me know in the comment section below if you enjoy DIYs. If not, I will not post those videos, but I'll still do them myself, you know, because I love DIYs. So don't forget to have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed weekend. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.